Hello my boys and girls. Today we're going to be learning about a new letter, and that letter is the letter, what letter is this? O. We are learning all about the letter O. So first things first, I want you to put your fingers together like this, and now we're going to make the sound for O. O says O. O says O. When you make the sound for the letter, make it right into your O. O says O. O says O. Every letter makes a sound and O says O. Excellent. Now, I have this story all about the letter O. What's going to happen is I'm going to read this story for us, and then we're going to circle the different O's we find in it with our red marker. Are you ready? Okay. An octopus swam in the ocean, swam over the waves in the sea. It raised its arms out of the water and waved 8 times at me. Oh me, oh my, there it goes swimming by. Oh me, oh my, the octopus just waved bye-bye. Okay, now let's try to find the letter O and circle it. Remember, this is what the letter O looks like. This is a capital O, and this is a lowercase o. Let's get our red marker, and let's read the story and circle the letter O as we find it. An octopus, see another one here as well, swam in the ocean, swam over, very nice, it's looking good so far, very proud of you my boys and girls, the waves in the sea. It raised its arms out of the water and waved 8 times to me. Oh, me. Oh, my. There it goes. See another O here? Swimming by. Oh, me. Oh, my. That octopus just waved bye-bye. Look at all those O's we found. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 O's in this story that we found and circled. So let's do a big round of applause. Let's go. Excellent job, my boys and girls. Now let's make the sound for O again. Let's make our O. O says O. O says O. Every letter makes a sound and O says O. Excellent job. I'll see you next time, my boys and girls. Bye.